Top of the day to you. I'm Martin Paul Emeka from the Department of Molecular Genetics and Biotechnology, and I'll be talking on recombinant human erythropoietin and its analogues. So first of all, I want to take us to the definition of the parts of this topic, and the first part is going to be what is erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is a protein hormone that is produced by the kidney, and it plays an essential role in the production and maturation of the red blood cell. The red blood cell is what is responsible for transporting oxygen through the body, and it is being it works with the hemoglobin, which is a pigment that is responsible for the coloration of the red blood cells. Now, the erythropoietin contains 165 amino acids, which contributes to the relative molecular mass around 30,600 Daltons. Now we come to what is erythropoietin analogues. First, the definition of analogues can be a little tricky when it comes to this topic, because a drug analog is a similar drug, a drug that is very similar to an illicit or an illegal drug, but in this sense it is quite different, in the sense that erythropoietin analogues were originally introduced to increase hemoglobin concentration and thus decrease the need of transfusion, especially with patients that have low red blood cells and cancer patients. Then erythropoietin is a hormone that stimulates the growth of red blood cells, and as a consequence it increases tissue oxygenation. This helps in enhancing performances, especially between athletes, and when it was discovered that it can enhance the performance of an athlete, it was declared illegal, so it's not really used by athletes anymore. But then it is very useful when it comes to replacing blood transfusions. And we have what is recombinant human erythropoietin. Recombinant human erythropoietin is a biopharmaceutical drug given to patients who have low hemoglobin related to chronic kidney disease, cancer, or anemia, because the kidney is also responsible for producing these cells. Recombinant human erythropoietin is administered to patients who have lower hemoglobin levels because of their inability to produce enough endogenous erythropoietin. Now, these are the list of recombinant human erythropoietins. I've taken my time to list some of them and also their generic name. And finally, the disadvantage is that when you administer this to patients a lot, they tend to develop an antibody that is leading to the development of pure red cell aplasia. Thank you very much for your time, and this is all for now.